Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows operating system. Let's go. First of all, open your Chrome browser and click here, type Visual Studio Code. You can see here, download Visual Studio Code. Click in here. Okay, you can see here this is for freezer. You can see here Windows, it's Linux, it's Mac, everything is available. I have a Windows, so I'm going to select Windows and click here, download. Okay, you can see here, install starting. It's going starting install. Okay, finally install. I'm going to back in this PC and select download. You can see here and down install. Okay, I'm going to install. You can see here install already. I'm going to right click and select the run as administrator and click here. And select yes. It's okay. Okay, you can see here license agreement, everything. You select the accept. Click in here and then next. And go to next. And click here. Next. Okay, you can see here this checkbox already is right. Select checked and then next, then after install. Okay, starting install. Okay, finally install, then finish and click finish. Okay, and we can see here in desktop and open, and after how to run, I'm going to show you. This is for close. You can close this window and simply you can select the file and new text and click here. You can see here and select the languages and type here HTML. You can see here and select here and click. Then after and click here. And click in here and as one. You can type here hello load. Then after I'm going to save. And you can save in desktop. And you click in here. Okay, we can see here this file and right click and you can select the open with Google Chrome and click here. Okay, we can see here hello world. It's typing in here. When it's run, then after we can see here hello world. You can see here. Control S and then go and refresh. You can see here hello world and Visual Studio Code. Okay, thank you very much watching for my video. Don't forget my channel.